Okay. This is a really exclusive video. I was just taking a walk over here, and there's a weekock AS firearm sounding at consumers. There's an outdoor horn strobe that's going off. So I ran back and got my camera. I'm gonna go over there and record it. Now I can't go inside because it's private property over there, but I can get it from the outside. I'll cross the street and record it for you. Same thing happened last year too. I actually got a video of it last year sounding, but I didn't upload it to YouTube. I just deleted it, which I don't know why, but I'll slow down. Hope it's still going. Let's just listen. I don't hear it no more. I could hear it all the way over here. I think they silenced it. Not sure if it was. Yeah, I think they silenced it. Yep. To my disappointment, they silenced it. Are you kidding me? They did. Oh, epic fail. I missed it. Oh, yeah, they silenced it. But there's an AS over there in that area that was going off. Plus, when I filmed it last year going off, it was around the same time too, in March. But I missed it. It could be a general signaling device too, but I don't know. And no, it doesn't do audible silence. Once they silence it, the strobe stops flashing. So no audible silence. But yeah, maybe it'll go off again. I'm gonna wait here for a minute and see if it goes off again. I doubt it though, but if it does go off again, I'll come back and I'll go over there.